Hey, what's up guys? In this video, we're gonna be doing, joining random codes. Like, we're gonna go to the thing, we're gonna type in random codes, and we're gonna troll people with those codes. I used to do this all the time, like, by myself on a board. So, something we can do, you know? For real. Sorry, I got angry. Alright, for the first code, I think a 90% chance there's people in it. To you, why are you? I have like a good 5 codes. Oh, I didn't rank, but a good. That you. Yeah, there's people here. Hey! Hi! Frickle.
But it's not. I can't put
Thank
that
you.
out.
I can play some beautiful music with
You
it.
have a bag on, that's why. Keep it in here.
Oh, I do?
Yeah. Match.
Why is
Loaded.
there so much?
Well, there's not much going on in this code, especially since it's not on PvP. POI, like Fortnite POI. Alright, I did this video, but it was way too long, so I couldn't send it to my phone. No one in that code.
Row, come up the row right now, or else I'm gonna beat you up. Guys, sit on this sofa if you want this revolver.
He's got red watch! Die! Die! Ka-chow!
He's not dying.
Chase him down!
Chase him down, Texan style.
No.
My revolver has like 1 ammo left, so if I miss this shot, he's gonna escape.
What do I do?
That's my Get down here, tiger!
Sorry for my actions. I didn't mean to.
You killed somebody. You will pay for your crime.
I'm sorry.
Where is he? Die! I missed.
Hey, Black, you're not gonna kill me, right? Because I red watch? Oh, shoot, I'm low.
Again.
Go! Yes!
Die! Blue just killed me, guys. Blue just killed me and took all my stuff. Anymore. Blue just killed me. He left, I think. Oh. Well, Blue stole my stuff. I'm still here. No, it was a different.
I didn't drop it!
Yeah, that treats you well.
I got you.
Oh, my homeboy.
Good.
Hold up. I don't want
We killed him. Hammer. Finally. Go.
Time for a new code. Alright, lol. Okay, bro. If I hanged up the first time, then why would I answer the second time?
I literally just glitched through the tree.
Nope.
Come to me if you want my bag.
Hey, guys.
Sonic. Here.
RPG?
Here's a tablet.
Boink.
I want this. No, it's upside down.
RPG.
Come here. Yeah, like that. Here comes more van.
Woo. What? I
What's
don't want to go to
happening?
your van. I'm leaving.
Yeah.
Scared.
You're gonna die. Can you buy me your
I'm going to code Bobby.
Look, you can also see the people who died.
Oh my, Schneider. Stop calling. Okay, thank you. No PvP code.
Give it right now. Give it right now. Give it right now.
Okay, bro, you're actually ruining the video. Only Schneider. Stop. If I hang up the other 80 times. Hey, Sigma! Hey! Y'all want a free grappler? I can give you guys free grapplers. Actually, no, you guys, only one of you guys get grappler. Go fetch. It's right there. Actually, no. Oh my god. I'm joining the code mom. Okay, I'm gonna do like 2 more codes after this. I don't know if y'all can see him, but he keeps calling me. Hello, is there anyone in this code? Hello?
We're down here. We're stuck in this hole.
Where are you guys? What hole? I can rescue.
Like in this hole.
He's cutting out. Are you in mines? Where are you? I can help.
We're down in the mimic.
Oh wait, are you guys in sewers?
Yeah. We're stuck down here with shit.
I'll rescue you. I'll rescue you. I have grapplers. I'll rescue you.
Yeah, get grapple, please. We're disgusted.
I have a green grappler. Hey, I have my grappler.
No, stop! You're trying to kill everybody!
I have a green grappler. This is the grappler.
The bow!
No, don't use it.
Crowbar! Where's my crowbar?
I think I launched it away. I'll be back. I'll be back.
Don't
I'll
shoot
be back.
that at me!
I'll be back. Okay. I gotta rescue them. Okay, I'm actually coming with a grappler. Wait a second. Hey, monkey! Monkey!
Ah! Someone, please. I did nothing.
I won't kill
I
you.
just wanted to run a code.
Come over here. I won't kill you.
Please.
I won't kill you. I won't kill you. Stop moving.
Bro, I
around.
was just in a post server. I kept trying to mine, and I kept dying, so I lost like 2,000 coins.
I do not want to hear it. I don't want to take his stuff. I just want to kill him. What the heck was that? Is that his ghost haunting me? Am I being haunted? Haunted mansion? I left your stuff. I didn't take it. It's down there if you want it.
Dude, I'm gonna buy something. I'm gonna buy your rocket. Darren, come back down. I'm not paying.
Did I make a public server?
Just join like a random
I
scribble
cannot.
code if you don't want anyone joining. I have rockets. I'm coming. You know. Oh, shoot. I keep getting stuck on this. My head. It's.
I have rockets. I'm coming.
I'm here.
Aw, come on. Please do not come after the caves. I'm just trying to mine. Everyone's killing me.
Hey, I got you. I have help.
Coming down.
I helped. What's up?
I said please not to.
Mine. I
There's
can't.
someone back.
Oh, wasn't me, man. Actually, I don't want to steal people's stuff. Here you go.
Also, I did not steal your backpack. I just got my
I do want my revolver back. And you can have the hoverboard back.
What's up, Mars?
That's your stuff right there. Do you not want it back?
There it is.
I want to look in the bag first. There's nothing. Okay. It's a total waste of time. I'm just being annoying at this point. Yay! Well, now.
I'm coming down. Someone blew.
No. Alright, I'm gonna let him execute me. Hey, you take the gun. You're gonna execute me. It has ammo. Execute me. Right in the head. Say something cool before you... Alright. That's probably the end of the video
I
right
didn't
there.
get a gem. Let's just say that.
Join Nuke One. It's a fan code if you want to mess around in it with me if I'm in there. I'm usually in this game because I'm a loser. Well, yeah, that's the video. Bye-bye. Tell me if you want a part 2.